So I have the entire contents of the case laid out here. Instructions, devices, cables. This is the receiver. So you have independent control of the gain on both transmitters. Charging port, in and out, microphone, headphone. And here's a transmitter. Mute, power, mic, headphones. And the clip. Okay, you should be able to hear me from here. I'm going to walk away a little bit and see how well it sounds. I didn't exactly measure this distance, so I don't know where I am in relation to the GoPro at this moment. But you should be able to hear me from here. And I'll see how well it sounds from here. So far so good. It seems to work perfectly. It sounds great. Works great with the GoPro Media Mod for my GoPro Hero 9. Give it a thumbs up so far. We'll see how it works out in the future.